Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Hello, my name is Melissa. What's your name?
Hi, Melissa. My name's John. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, John. Are you new here?
Yes, this is my first day in the English class. What about you?
I started last week. I'm also learning English. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Mexico. I came here to study and improve my English.
That's great. I want to speak English better so I can travel and work in different countries.
Me too. I think English is very important. It helps in school, work, and meeting new people.
Exactly. Do you live near here?
Yes, I live about 10 minutes away by bus. How about you?
I live a little far. I take the train. It takes about 30 minutes.
That's not too bad. Do you like the English class so far?
Yes, the teacher is very friendly and helpful. The students are nice too.
I agree. Everyone helps each other. That makes learning easier.
What do you do, Melissa? Do you work or study?
I am a student. I study business at a local college. What about you?
I work part-time in a cafe. I also take evening classes to improve my English.
That's smart. Practicing every day helps a lot. Do you speak any other languages?
I speak French and a little Spanish. What about you?
I speak Spanish, of course, and now I'm learning English. I want to learn French next.
That's cool. Maybe we can help each other. I can help you with French, and you can help me with Spanish.
That sounds like a great idea, John. Let's practice together after class.
Sure, it'll be fun and good practice. Let's be language partners.
Yes, I'm happy we met today. It's nice to talk to someone friendly.
Same here, Melissa. I'm glad we introduced ourselves. Let's keep learning together.
Hi again, John. It's nice to see you.
Hi, Melissa. Nice to see you too. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm good. I was excited to come to class again.
Me too. I enjoy learning English, especially when we practice together.
Same here. I really want to improve my English faster. Do you have any tips?
Yes, one thing that helps me a lot is watching English learning videos on YouTube.
Oh, really? That sounds helpful. What kind of videos do you watch?
I watch a lot of different channels. Some videos teach grammar, some teach new words, and some help with listening and speaking.
Do you watch every day?
I try to watch a short video every day, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. It helps me learn little by little.
That's a great idea. Do the videos have subtitles?
Yes, most of them do. I watch with English subtitles so I can read and listen at the same time.
That sounds very useful. Sometimes I don't understand everything when people speak fast.
I know. I usually pause the video, repeat the sentences, and write down new words.
That's smart. I think I'll try that too. Maybe I can start today after class.
Great! Watching videos really helped me. You'll improve your listening and speaking skills.
Thanks, Melissa. Your advice is always helpful.
You're welcome. If you want, we can watch a video together after class and practice the new words.
That would be awesome. Let's do it.
Perfect. Learning English is more fun when we study together.
I agree. See you after class, language partner.
See you soon, John.